Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you'll see me clean and organize my refrigerator. This is going to give you some amazing motivation to clean your fridge. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now I start off using this Greenworks multi-surface cleaner. The cleaner is naturally derived and I love the smell. Now I had just gotten back from the grocery store and every now and then I like to do a deep clean. If you missed my grocery haul, make sure you click the card above so you can see everything I purchased. Now in order for me to thoroughly clean any spills, I like to remove everything from the refrigerator, including the shelving. Now I'm going to hyperlapse the cleaning so I can quickly show you everything that I cleaned and also show you the organizing containers. Now here you see I removed all of the refrigerator drawers. I eventually took this bottom piece out and removed the glass and thoroughly cleaned it over at the sink. Here's the refrigerator all clean, and now all I have to do is clean out the organizing bins and place those back into the fridge. Now most of the organizing bins, I did get them from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. When you go there, if you go to the kitchen section, you should be able to find them. You should also be able to find these at Walmart. Here you will see me rinsing out the containers. Most of the time, all it needs is a good rinse. Then you can dry the inside with a towel. If you have any spillage on the inside or any stickiness, then I recommend soap and water to get it clean. I'm going to go ahead and go through all of the containers so you can see exactly what containers I use for the refrigerator. Then I'll come back and show you how I organize them in the fridge. Okay, now first I'm going to start with the refrigerator drawers. I'm going to place those back into the fridge. Then I'm going to place each refrigerator organizing bin exactly where I need them. Now that all of the organizing containers are in the refrigerator, then I place the food back into the fridge. The items that I'm opening I just got from the grocery store, and now that you have the organizing containers, you no longer need to keep the items in the original packaging. I'm going to put everything in the refrigerator, then I'm going to come back with the final look. And now I am done putting away all the groceries and organizing everything in the refrigerator. This definitely will take some time, but it's worth it. Now just get a good look at this finished product. Okay, so now let's go through each item. In this bottom drawer, I do have my bagged lettuce. Then over in the left drawer, I like to keep my fruit. Today I have some Granny Smith apples, red plums, oranges, and mango. I also like to keep cups of applesauce because I love them as a snack. I use lemon in almost everything. And these are my drinks, flavored water, apple juice, orange juice, whatever you need is down there. In here, we have several more healthy snacks. We have some grapes, some blackberries, some yogurt, and some peaches. In this drawer is where I keep my packaged items like my cheese, pepperoni. We have some turkey here for my sandwiches, and I have some packs of cheese in the back. I have some sharp cheese, some Parmesan cheese. I do love cheese, and I know it's a weakness of mine. I'm working on that. Next, I have mini cucumbers. This is a great snack with some apple cider vinegar. Now moving on up to the top, I have my eggs, and I like to keep them in this clear container because I can clearly see how many I have and when it's time to go to the store to buy more. Here I have some more lettuce. Also, I have some turkey sausage, Rogerwood sausage, and some hot dogs. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And since you've stuck around this far into the video, I'm going to share a freebie that I know will help you get your home more organized. In the description box down below, you'll find a link to my free guide all about my top 8 home organization tips where you can find right at Dollar Tree for just $1. Make sure you click on the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload my new video in a few days.